Hi, my name is Warren. As you can see, we were doing a pretty major remodel on our house and pretty much completely reconstructed the exterior. And we wanted to do some stucco and stone enhancements, but of course our white garage door just wasn't going to work. We found the four painted garage doors ad in a magazine, and called up and inquired about it, and just found out that it was a great deal compared to buying a brand new wooden door. We our garage door wasn't that old, it was in great shape, and we couldn't be happier with the end result. It's just been super.